Hello, I am Nivedita ma'am. We already started chapter number 10, Human Health and Diseases. Today I will discuss about disease filariasis. Filariasis is also called as elephantiasis. You can observe these pictures. There is enlargement of the body part. Huge enlargement of the body part or legs. Filariasis is caused by thread-like worms, nematodes. These nematode parasites are transported from person to person via mosquito bite. Means ये जो एलिफेंटाइसिस डिसीज़ है ये मॉस्किटो बाइट से एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन में क्या होता है, ट्रांसमिट होता है, ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है. फिलारियासिस can be divided into three subtypes as lymphatic filariasis, subcutaneous filariasis, and third one serous abdominal cavity filariasis. Lymphatic filariasis. Now lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organs that help rid the body of toxins, waste and other unwanted materials. Means primary function of lymphatic system is to transport lymph. Lymph means a fluid containing infection fighting WBC cells throughout the body. Second, subcutaneous filariasis. Example, Loa loa or Mansolena species. Subcutaneous means under the skin. Okay, means enlargement of the body part, means enlargement of the cells under the skins. It is subcutaneous filariasis. And last one is serous abdominal cavity filariasis. Serous membrane are peritoneum. The peritoneal cavity is found within the abdomen and pelvic body cavity. Abdominal cavity, it is the largest cavity. Okay, so serous cavity filariasis. These are the three subtypes. Lymphatic filariasis or elephantiasis is caused by the worms Wucheria bancrofti, Brugia malai and Brugia timori. These are the three worms which causes elephantiasis. Now what are the signs and symptoms of this disease? The first symptom is edema with thickening of a skin and underlying tissues. Edema means swelling. Okay, so swelling with thickening of skin. Wucheria bancrofti affects the legs, arms, breast and scrotum. In lymphatic filariasis, worm infect lymphatic system. Now you know what is lymphatic system. Just I discuss and causes enlargement of a lymph vessels and nodes. This is elephantiasis, that is limbs are swollen like legs of elephant. So this is called as elephantiasis. Fourth one, lymphedema, that is accumulation of lymph fluid in the tissue causing swelling. Tissue causing swelling. Hydrocele, that is testes, are enlarged due to accumulation of lymphatic fluid in testes. Okay, So that part is get enlarged. Now, what are the mode of transmission? Wucheria bancrofti is transmitted to human body by female mosquito Culex. The larvae escape mosquito body and arrive on the human skin. They penetrate the skin, undergo two molting before they become adults and settle in the lymphatic system. The incubation period can be as long as 6 to 18 months. So, what is the life cycle? We will discuss now in detail. Okay, observe this flow chart or life cycle carefully. Now, see this first series number. This is first, second, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we will go with this numbering. Okay, so first one, mosquito takes a blood meal. Okay, infective larvae are transmitted by infected biting mosquitoes during blood meal. The larvae migrate to lymphatic vessel and lymph nodes where they develop into microfilariae producing adult. Microfilariae means it is nothing but baby. Baby uh, means there are that is the larvae. Okay, small larvae. Okay, that is baby larvae is called as microfilariae. The adult dwells in lymphatic vessels and lymph node where they can live for several years. The female worm produce microfilariae babies which circulate in the blood. Okay, which circulate in the blood. The microfilariae infect biting mosquitoes. Inside the mosquito, the microfilariae develop in 1 to 2 weeks into infective filariform larvae. That is its third stage. Okay, in third stage. During a subsequent blood meal by the mosquito, the larvae infect the human host. Okay, the larvae infect the human host. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं mosquito takes blood meal. Okay, ingest microfilariae. These are the human stages and this is about mosquito stage. Okay, adult produce microfilariae that migrate into lymph and blood channels. Okay, then mosquito takes the blood meal, ingest microfilariae, and microfilariae sheds sheath penetrate mosquito midgut and migrates to thoracic muscles. Okay, they migrate into lymphatic vessels and lymph node of the human host where they develop into adults. Means microfilariae get developed into the adults. The adult female worm produce microfilariae. Feeding vector mosquitoes ingest microfilariae from the bloodstream. In the mosquito, the microfilariae mature to infective larvae. They mature into infective larvae which migrate to the mosquito's mouth parts, enter and new host via vector. vector punctures to wounds, migrate to lymphatics, mature, and then they met. Okay, so this is about the life cycle of Wucheria bancrofti. Okay, so there are two stages: infective stage and diagnostic stages. Now, diagnosis and treatment. Use of diethyl carbamazine citrate twice a day for 3 weeks and thereafter for 5 days every 6 months is effective against filarial worm. Prevention and control. Avoid mosquito bite by using mosquito nets and insect repellents. Then eradication of mosquito is essential for control of filariasis. Thank you.